Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into 15 inventions that are actual game changers for how we live, work and play. From augmented reality to robots that mow your lawn and even a hydrogen-powered flying car. This stuff is straight out of the future, so let's get right into it. First up, we're diving into the world of augmented reality with the TCL RayNeo X2 glasses. These aren't just any ordinary glasses, they are a gateway to a futuristic experience that blends the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. These glasses come equipped with a powerful 16-megapixel camera, allowing you to capture your world in stunning detail. Imagine taking photos and videos with just a glance, preserving memories in high resolution without even lifting a finger. But that's not all. The TCL RayNeo X2 seamlessly integrates with your digital life. It offers smart notifications so you never miss an important message or update. Real-time language translation breaks down communication barriers, making travel and interaction easier than ever. And with navigation assistance, you'll always find your way, whether you're exploring a new city or just heading to a meeting. The display is incredibly bright, ensuring you can see everything clearly, even in direct sunlight. The software runs smoothly, providing a user-friendly experience without any lag. Plus, the design is sleek and comfortable, making it easy to wear these glasses all day long without any discomfort. The future is looking pretty awesome through these lenses. Imagine seeing augmented reality overlays that enhance your everyday life. From interactive maps to immersive gaming experiences, the possibilities are endless. Let's see what else is in store. With the TCL RayNeo X2, the future is not just something to look forward to, it's something you can experience right now. Stay tuned for more exciting innovations and breakthroughs in the world of augmented reality. Meet the Lithy E-Wagon W1 Pro, an electric wagon built for the outdoors. It has a powerful motor for tough terrain and a 200-litre capacity for all your gear. Features include adjustable handle heights, all-terrain wheels and built-in USB ports for charging on the go. This is the ultimate adventure companion for exploring the great outdoors or conquering your backyard. Ready for the next innovation? Let's talk about the VO anticipated _0 smartwatch, a smartwatch that's also a smartphone. It comes with a detachable Bluetooth headset for calls, a vibrant touchscreen display, fitness tracking, GPS navigation, and a built-in camera. It's like having the power of your smartphone right on your wrist. Stay connected and ready to go whenever you are. Moving on to the next cool gadget. The Ugot robotic kit is for all the makers and creators out there. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced engineer, this kit offers endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. Dive into the world of robotics and bring your ideas to life. Build and customize 7 different robots, each with unique abilities. From simple designs to complex machines, the Ugot robotic kit grows with you. Experiment with different configurations and see what you can create. From a robotic arm to a sensor-laden rover, this kit sparks imagination and teaches valuable STEM skills. Learn about mechanics, electronics, and programming as you assemble and program your robots. It's a hands-on experience that makes learning fun and engaging. As your skills progress, unlock advanced programming features and design custom robots. Use the included software to write your own code and bring your creations to life. The possibilities are endless and the only limit is your imagination. This is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to robotics and engineering. Perfect for classrooms, workshops or home projects, the Ugot robotic kit inspires the next generation of engineers and innovators. Let's see what's next. Doppelmayr Garaventa Ropeways is revolutionizing transportation with state-of-the-art cable car and gondola systems. These systems transport people and goods over vast distances, offering breathtaking views and efficiency. They help reduce traffic congestion and minimize our carbon footprint. Reliable transportation solutions for even the most remote communities, changing the way we move, one cable car at a time. The Airspeeder Mk4 is a hydrogen-powered flying car, a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It can hit speeds of up to 225 miles per hour and is designed to race. This is the future of motorsport with sleek designs and incredible speed. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. Let's soar to the next invention. The Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset, blending augmented and virtual reality. Interact with digital content in ways we've never seen before, from watching movies to collaborating on 3D models, packed with advanced sensors, cameras, and displays for an intuitive experience. This is the future of computing, and it's already here. Ready for the next game changer? The PESA H2 Loco is a hydrogen-powered locomotive, paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. It runs on hydrogen fuel cells, producing only water vapor as a byproduct, powerful and efficient, capable of hauling heavy loads over long distances. A testament to the fact that we can have both performance and sustainability. Let's keep the momentum going. The Ecoflow Blade robotic mower is the future of lawn care. It maps your lawn, avoids obstacles, and returns to its charging station automatically. Advanced sensors and GPS technology ensure every inch gets mowed to perfection. It handles slopes and uneven terrain quietly and efficiently, making those lazy Sunday afternoons even lazier. The Maker X1 is a high-resolution 3D printer for industrial use. It creates detailed and complex objects with speed and precision using stereolithography. From prototypes to medical devices, this printer is incredibly accurate, changing the way things are made with smooth surfaces and fine details. Let's see what's next in line. The Anker Solix F3800 is a portable power station for when the grid goes down. It can power everything from your phone to your refrigerator and can be charged using solar panels. Perfect for camping trips, power outages, or as a backup power source. It's like having a portable power plant at your fingertips. The Alarm Stop Sleep is a smart alarm clock that makes waking up feel more natural. It uses light and sound to simulate a natural sunrise, gradually increasing in intensity. A more pleasant way to start your day and improve your sleep quality over time. Aolis Robotics AEO is a multifunction humanoid robot designed to assist with everyday tasks. It helps with cooking, cleaning, fetching objects, and provides companionship. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI, it navigates complex environments and responds to voice commands, a glimpse into the future of assistive technology. The Ecoflow Glacier is a portable refrigeration powerhouse with dual temperature zones. It can keep drinks ice cold and food perfectly chilled, and it can make ice on demand, perfect for the beach, camping, or backyard barbecues. Rugged design and long-lasting battery life for any adventure. Let's wrap this up. The Totem planter is a vertical gardening system for growing herbs, vegetables, and flowers at home. It uses hydroponic and aeroponic technology, providing nutrients without soil. Space-efficient, perfect for urban dwellers and apartment residents. Enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown produce. And there you have it, 15 incredible inventions that are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Each one of these groundbreaking innovations is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. From cutting-edge advancements in tech and transportation like electric and autonomous vehicles that promise to make our commutes safer and more efficient, to pioneering efforts in sustainability such as renewable energy projects and sustainable living innovations that aim to protect our planet for future generations, the future is full of exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our experiences and making everything more convenient and efficient. The curiosity and excitement surrounding these advancements are palpable, and I can't wait to see what comes next. The upcoming tech conferences and exhibitions will surely unveil even more astonishing breakthroughs. Which of these inventions are you most excited about? Is it the promise of cleaner energy, smarter cities, or perhaps the next big thing in personal gadgets? Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions are what make this community vibrant and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more content that you love. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. We have a lot of exciting topics lined up that you won't want to miss. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Together we can shape a future that's